Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifras, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are done with the ZD Toys Venom X Punisher na project natin. Thank you very much, client. Sir Robert. Yes, thank you very much, Sir Robert of Georgia, USA. I think he resides in Georgia. Yeah, thank you very much for availing this. So yung process natin dito, yung base toy natin dito is the ZD Toys na na action figure. I think that's 110 scale, 7 inches tall. Ay, hindi to 7 inches. Yung regular na ZD Toy, 7 inches. Pero ito, halos 9 na nga, 9 inches tall. Gustong gusto ko yung base body ni Venom kasi sobrang bulky. Tsaka look at the muscle mass. Tsaka yung price point niya, hindi siya ganun kataas. Nakuha ko to sa bidding around ano ba to? 950 lang. 950 lang to. Pero usually ang market price nito SRP around 1.5, 1.8 yan. Sa Toy Kingdom alam ko naka-sale to 1,800. Yeah, so yung first step nag-spray ako ng flat black tapos dry brush with several Hero paints. Ito yung mga paints na ginamit ko. Again, shout out to Hero paints. Ito yung first color, Intense Violet. Tapos yung second color, Coral Blue, Cobalt Blue. Third color, Coral Blue. And then yung fourth color, Patina Blue. So lahat yung color na yun, dry brush method yung ginawa ko. Ayan. Tapos yung mga green and yellow, fluorescent paints yung ginamit ko. Sobrang ganda ng mga fluorescent paints na from Hero Paints. Ito yung fluorescent green. And then we also have, where's the fluorescent yellow? Ito yung fluorescent yellow para ma-emphasize yung mga toxins usually andito sa mga tips, sharp tips ng mga tentacles. Okay? Yan. Tsaka dito sa dulo ng kanyang blade. Yung blade nga pala, ito is sculpted to from cardboard and glue gun. Tapos in-sprayan ko lang din ng flat black para maging parang long sword ni Venom. Okay? Tapos meron din akong in-sculpt dito na parang Wolverine blades, Wolverine claws dito sa kabilang kamay niya. Pwede niyo ring equip to dun sa kabilang kamay. And then we also have another head and then alt hands to yung right hand niya, and then this is the left hand. Ayan. Tapos meron din akong additional na ito painting yung ginawa ko for the client. Tapos ito naman we have the base, the hexagonal base. Tapos meron ding mga texture using glue gun. Ayan, client natin, and then we have the signature. Ayan. Post Punisher logo. And then dito sa painting naman, yung proseso natin dito. Ito 8x10 tong itong dimensions ng painting. So nag-offer na rin ako ng mga painting services, painting commissions like this. So una ginawa ko grid muna, tapos meron ng reference, and then sketch using this one, ito Papermate na mechanical pencil, and then yung black paint same as yung ginamit ko, yung Hero paints din yun. And then para yung mga paints na ginamit ko, same lang ito, Hero paints din pero mas manipis, mas maraming water na kasama dun sa mixture para mukha siyang watercolor. And then after that, yun din same style lang kung paano ko pinta yung eyes, yung tongue. Tapos ito fluorescent paints din dito. So kapag ito na tapatan ng blue lights or ng purple lights, magiging reflective yung mga fluorescent paints. And then you also have the Punisher logo here. Tapos signature ko. Ayan. Tapos message sa client. Okay? So yun yung ino-offer ko. Paintings and custom na action figures. Okay? Yan yung mga custom repaint na services natin plus canvas. Itong mga paintings meron pang different sizes to. Ito 8x10. Ang price range niyan $70. Yung 9x12 $100 USD, yung 10x14 $150 USD, yung 12x16 gagawin ko ng $200 USD. So yun mga ma'am, so yun yung presyo ng ating mga custom repainted na mga services na action figures and painting commissions. So kung gusto nyo mag-order nito, figure and painting, pwede naman natin siya i-bundle price. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.